Hi there, my name is Warren. Welcome back to my channel where we empower growth and envision tomorrow. Today, I am a computer science student and Microsoft Student Ambassador. And finally, I'm a core member of a Google Cloud student, Google's Developed Student Club, GDSC. And welcome back to my channel where we empower growth and envision tomorrow. Today, we're going to talk about a little more on Microsoft Student Ambassadorship and Google Developed Student Club and how you could also building or join this kind of developer community, tech community within your campus. So let's go. So first thing we're going to talk about is about what is tech ambassadorship or building a tech community like a GDSC. While building a tech community is really important for developers, especially for developers that now are learning new technology. For example, web developers. And I wanted to learn more about web technology or AI technology, for example. I need to find a group of people that is interested or even expert in that field. To find kind of stuff like a study group or a team of people or a community or organization that help you to learn throughout that process and also learn from peers. And for me, really important for us to get access to this resource and people that already have experience in throughout that technology, for example, like ML or deep learning. So this is more important for beginner to learn throughout process and also to join this kind of tech community. And I'll start what I want to talk about is what is tech ambassadorship. For example, I am Microsoft Student Ambassador. My mission as a Microsoft Student Ambassador MLSA is to promote Microsoft technology while learning all the stuff that helping my community to grow throughout this process. It's not just about promotion, it's about spreading the idea, it's about what technology can bring to you into your life and what you can change for a better good. So our mission is be a force for good, which means that we need to have a knowledge in technology, skill in programming and social stuff, and also organizing events so that people can be able to access this information to understand the power of technology and also take advantage of that to change the world. It is changing their life to be a better individual and so forth. So for me, tech ambassadorship is kind of different from Google Developed Student Club, GDSC, but it's really important for us to have that identity to partner with GDSC to continuously promoting technology and also spreading the idea that everyone is able to learn technology, especially for programming. Being able to use technology to make a positive change to the world is really important, especially for a business student, leader student, or for a non-technical group. Your potential is endless because you have the domain knowledge we as a developer doesn't have. So keep in mind that. So this is really important for us to join us. And if you are a freshman or a sophomore in the computer science department or the student from our department is not related to engineering, feel free to join like Microsoft Student Ambassador or even be a part of a GDSC community. Not just because you can, but because you will learn a lot throughout this process, and also to use local or no-code development technology to help artists to see the possibility and potential what you could achieve through our process. So in the end, to summarize, I really appreciate that I started tech ambassadorship like from Microsoft earlier this year when I was still in freshman year. And also, I really appreciate for the people I already collaborated with, like Mecca, Pende, and also like Seth, Austin Harding, American student from NTU, and all kind of people that are already met to collaborate. And Tony, and now a GDSC lead on our campus. They're also the founder of GDSC Club on our campus as well. So really important for us to connect with people that have shared passion, vision. I really appreciate that. I'm really glad that I started this earlier this year, and I started when I just start my college career. And so if you are still looking for the group of people with shared passion in technology and shared passion in building stuff and trying to change the world, feel free to join us at GTC on campus, as well as to be a part of Microsoft Learning Student Ambassadorship. So feel free to join us and see you guys next time. If possible, welcome to join our channel and subscribe to this channel that aiming to empower growth and vision tomorrow. And see you next time. Bye bye.